Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with an unboxing. It's been a while, or it feels like it's been a while. These from Nike. You've read the title, you know what they are. I'm going to pull freshness about now. I see, I'm out of practice. Now, I had to get these from Nike over a skate store because I need a half size. So, slightly annoying, but just one of those things. So, let's get the box out of the way. And purple SB box, people. Purple SB box. And we're going to come over here and do the usual things. If I can do this whilst moving the mic and everything else. So, these are Nike SB Bruin React T. What does the T stand for? They are in Summit White Racer Blue. They are a UK 6.5, hence why I had to buy them from Nike, which makes them a US men's 7.5 and a women's US 9, European 40.5. So I already have, we're just going to go back to the main camera. So I already have a couple of pairs of Bruins, and I found that I had to go up the extra half size. Hence me getting a 6.5. Now the T, as I open these, oh, these are nice. The T on the box stands for Tokyo because these, Russell, were created for the Olympics, which obviously hasn't happened. And I think these were actually for the US team. Somebody may correct me on that, but from memory, they were for the US skateboarding team. There was a whole epic range of clothing with para, which, probably isn't going to come out ever, or maybe next year. Who knows? But I had to get these because if I hadn't, I would have regretted it. Being for the Olympics, you know, I just thought I'm denied, and I was like, nah, I need to get them. Just look at them. These are super nice, really nice, and it's that pink that sort of really sold it to me. Just super nice pink. And if I spin it round, you've got Nike on the back in that purple. Spinning it round again, and you've got the blue, and there's a mixture of materials on these. So I'm just going to show you the toe box. So on the toe box here, it's like a slightly chalky white suede. And we're just going to go over to this camera here to get another look. So you've got that sort of chalky white suede on the toe box. Then if I just turn it round to the side so you can see that really vibrant pink, you've got, I'm not sure what material that is. I'll have to have a look at it. Then you've got this sort of, I'm not sure what it is actually. It's material. Of course it's material. It's not suede, it's not leather, it's not canvas, but it's got this sort of grid on it, like squares all over it. But really nice. We're going to go back to the main camera just to see. There you go. It is actually picking that up so you can see that. So it's not canvas. I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's the same material that they use on some of the Nike Reacts, because these have the Nike React sole in them. They're super light. I can tell you now, my Bruin edges that I've got, and I've been wearing quite a lot, are a lot heavier than these. These feel super light. I'm actually going to take the interior out as well, the interior padding. Now, let's just have a look at the tongue. Now, it's really nice, actually. Nice little details on these, as we always see from Nike SB. So I'm just going to bring this in. Can you see that? So it says Nike SB. And sorry, I'm being asked to bring this closer to the camera and my arms aren't long enough. It says Nike SB Bruin React. Then, am I going to be able to turn this right? No, I don't know what I'm doing. You've got a little Nike swoosh there in pink. I did weights earlier. My arms are aching. And similar to my Bruin edge, you've got the unfinished tongue there as well, which you sometimes see on a blazer. You can kind of see that. There you go. You can kind of see it. And inside you've got that bright green inner sole. Now, I'm not going to pull these out because I hate doing that. Do I pull it out? Oh, it looks like it might come out. Actually, it does look like it's going to come out quite easily. So, oh no, I'm not doing it. Oh, do I? I don't know. Do I do I do it? Camera over here. Do I do it? It kind of wants to come out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Can't believe I did that. And there you go. That looks familiar, doesn't it? That is very much I'm still going to get this wrong because I always get it wrong. A React element React. So, but you guys know what I mean. You can see very much it's that sole. So I'm really, really interested to see how this is going to feel in a Bruin. There you go. I'm just going to bring it in just so you can see. You can actually see like all the stamps on it. No, can you see that? So it says SB Bruin React. Loads of like stamps from the factory, and there you go. There is. Whoa, there we go. Kind of. There we go. You can see it. You can see it. I have to get that back in now. Now these, as I said, were for the Tokyo Olympics. They actually have a black version of them now, which are really nice as well. But it's the pink that did it for me. I'm not really a girly girl, but there's something about that like super neon pink, and I'm like there. And I'm just going to have a look and see what it says down here. So I'm guessing this date is when the Olympics was meant to be, because it's got Nike SB 2020 0724. Just do it. And it's got coordinates, which I'm guessing is for Tokyo. I am going to have to properly look at that after this. But yeah, I'm guessing that's what that is. It's crazy, really. Absolutely crazy how this year has been, which is why I had to get these, because I was like, well, one, I really like them, and two, I was like, if I don't get a pair for the first time that skateboarding was actually going to be in the Olympics, and I really liked them, I knew I'd really regret it. So I was like, yeah, I'm getting them. Also, there was 25% off Nike the weekend that I got these. It's like bank holiday weekend. So I have had them a while. They've just been sat in the box, which is really bad. But the weather's really nice again now. So I'm going to get these out and actually wear them. But yeah, super, super nice. As I said, really interested to see how that React sole is in these. Super light. Yeah, really nice sneaker. First impressions, really, really light. Now, I haven't done an on foot of these. We probably will do one, but it will come out later. Apologies, just why it's a bit crazy at the moment. So we want to get this unboxing out so that you can see them. As always, if you like these, if you've got a pair, if you got the black pair, do you not like them? Leave us a comment in the box below. Always interested to hear what you're thinking about the sneakers that we're showing here on Pint of Stuff. And if you haven't already, and you like these, hit the old like button, give us the old thumbs up. Even if you don't like it, give it the old thumbs down, you know. It's cool. It's cool. We all like different things, you know. And if you haven't done it before, come along and join in Sneaker Streaming Sundays, which is on Sunday at 8 p.m. here in the UK, which is about 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast, where we talk sneakers. Mainly SBs, but a bit of everything. You know, it's not just an SB channel. There is a bit of everything on Sneaker Stream Sunday. So come along and join us. And yeah, go and check out one of the other videos that our lovely friends at YouTube Google will be recommending to you right about here. One of these lovely videos. Go and watch. Go and watch while I go and try on my sneakers. Go and watch. Go on.